Good morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today we are going to start block 8 lesson plan 3. Hope you have enjoyed my yesterday's class. Yes, it was interesting class now. You did a lot of fun in that class. Yes, we have talked about your favorite hobby and then we have written on that hobby or sport a poem. I hope you all have completed your homework also. So proceed to today's class. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is silent E in words. Silent E in words. And what will be the keywords? Cap, cape, hop, hop, pin, pine. And resources for today's class: letter cards. As we have used these letter cards many a times, so you know which letter cards we are going to use. Workbook and notebook, and our agenda as usual: first we will go for questioning, then discussion, after the activity part, then you will go for worksheet, and at last homework will be there. Yes students, now tell me the difference between these two words. Yes, what is the pronunciation of this word and this? Yes, what is this? Rat. And what is it? Rate. So what is the difference between the spellings? I just have added E here, but the pronunciation is completely changed. Our today's aim is to add E at the end of 3 letters and to identify the change in the pronunciation of those words. So this is our today's aim. Students, this is our today's aim: to add E 3 letters word and identify the change in sound of the vowel. Means what we are going to do, we will add E at the end of three letter words, and then we will identify the change in the pronunciation of the pronunciation of and we will identify the change in the sound of the vowel. Means because we are ending E at the end of the letters. What is E? E is a consonant or a vowel? Yes, E is vowel. So by adding this vowel, what change comes in the words? Student, now it is action time. What will you do in action time? You will collect all these word cards. You can see these word cards here. Yes, A, E, I, O, U, T, C, P, N. You have to collect all these letter cards with you. What will you do with these letter cards? You will make 3 letters word with these letter cards, and keep this thing in mind: every time you have to use one orange letter card. Yes, what is this orange letter card? This is a vowel. So you will use every time at least one vowel letter card in the middle of the words. So this is how you will make the words, and then you will write those words in your notebook. Now move to the activity part. First word will be cap. C-A-P. Next word will be hop. H-O-P. Hop. The next word will be cut. C-U-T. Cut. Yes. The next word will be pin. P-I-N. Yes. Have you noticed anything? Every time we have used the orange letter card in the middle of the words. What is this orange letter card? This is a vowel. And these black letter cards are consonant sound like P, N, H, C, T. What are these? These are the consonant. And the orange letter cards E, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So this how we can make many more words. Cape. Yes, how can you make the word cape from cap? Yes, what should you add at the end of the words? Right, E. We have to add E at the end of the word. like CAPE. Now what is it? It is cape. Yes. How can we make cute from cut? How can we make cute from cut? Yes, CUT, cut, cute. CUTE, cute. How can we make hop, hop from hop? How can we make hop from hop? Yes, first it was HOP, hop. Now it is HOPE, hop. How can we make pine from pin? How can we make pine from pin? Yes, first it was PIN, spelling is PIN. How can we make it pine? Yes, adding E at the end of the word. We have made these words. Yes, cat, hop, pin, cut, cop, pot, top, tin, knot, cup. Okay, have you noticed anything? Yes, what? Every time I have used one vowel in the middle of these words, like cat. What is this A? It is a consonant or a vowel? Yes, it is a vowel. O, I, U, O, O. So, all these are vowels. Every time we have used vowel sound in the middle of the word. Now, we will add at the end of these words. Okay students, how can we change cap into cape? Yes, how can we change the word cap into cape? Can you tell this thing? Yes, just now I have told that what will we add now? We will add E at the end of the words. So, when we are adding E at the end of these words, the sound of complete word is changed. Yes, what is it? What we are saying it is cap. What is it? Cap. A sound is here. A sound. And here, A sound is here. Yes, here you are getting cap. And here you are getting A sound. Cap or tape. Yes. So this how the words and their sounds are changed when we are adding E at the end of the words. So this how we will add E at the end of the words, and you will observe this thing, the how the sound of the words is changed. Like what is this? Hop. What is it now? Hop. Pin. Now pine. Cop. Hop. ये word होता है. So now look at these words. Hop, hop, pin, pine, cap, cape, cute, cut, cute, tap, tape. What did we do here? We added E at the end of these words. By adding E, the sound of the word is completely changed. But this E is silent here. Yes, this E is silent. What is the sound of E, students? E double G. What do you call it? And so what is the sound of E? A. A. What is the sound of E? A. So here we are not pronouncing the sound of E. We are not speaking it as hope. What we are saying is hope. So E is silent, but the sound of the word is changed. Like pin, pine. Again E is silent here. Cat, K. Q, cut, Q. Tap, tape. Students, now look at both sides. I have sorted the words in two columns. Cap, cape, hop, hop, pin, pine, cut, cute. Yes, students, now I am going to ask some questions which are based on the activity, as it is analysis time. Listen to my first question. How are you sorting the words? How are you sorting the words. There are three letter words we have written in this column: CAP, HOP, PIN, CUT. These are three letter words. In this column we have written the words, the three letter words with E. All these words are ending with E. So this how we have sorted the words. In first column we have kept the words which are three letter words, and in this the same words but ending with E we have written here in this column. In first column we have written the words in CVC manner. CVC, what is the meaning of this CVC? As I told you, I am using this term many times and I have told you about this thing also. What is the meaning of C? What we have used in the middle of all these letters, all these words? Yes, as I told you, every time you will use a vowel sound. Yes, if this is vowel, then what is it? Right, it is consonant. So consonant, vowel, consonant. So consonant, vowel, consonant sound words we have written here, but the words which are ending with E with the same we have written in the second group. Do you find any difference in the sound in the words in first group and in second group? Yes, have you noticed any sound? The words in first group and the words in second group. For example, we are taking cap and cape. Yes, there is a difference in their sound. Like cap, we are speaking it like cap, cap. Here we are getting a sound when we are pronouncing cap. And here what we are getting? Cape. Here we are getting a sound, a sound. Cape, cape. So this is the difference between the sound of the words, like hop, hop means long sound, pin, pine. Here also sound is completely changed. Cut, Q. Ready for the next question. Next question is, how are the words in first group different from the second group? How are the words in the first group different from the second group? Right, students, when we add E at the end of the words, the sound of the first vowel, like these vowels A, E, I, O, U, changed. Because when we are speaking like cat, here it is K. Means now E is the E is the member of the vowel team. Here E is the member of the vowel team, and these letters are pronounced as its name. Means जो इनका जैसे हम इनको बोलते हैं वही इसका सेम साउंड आता है. Like here we are saying it cap, but here we are saying it cape. Hop, pine. Here you are getting I sound. Yes, pine. We are getting this I sound. Cute. Here you are also getting again U sound. Yes. So this how when we are adding E, the words in second group are the words which are in second group are completely different from the first group. Now it is time for higher order thinking question. My question is, why do we call this E as a silent E? Yes, like in cap, the word is given CAPE. The spelling of word is CAPE. This E, why do we say this E as a silent E? Right, student? We call it a silent E because we don't hear the sound of E in the word like cap. Here I have written it cap. CAPE. We are not pronouncing this word like this, cappy. We are not saying it cappy. No, we are saying it cap. Means we are not pronouncing the sound of E. E की sound को हम pronounce नहीं करते हैं. E is silent here. Yes. My next question is, what other words can you make by adding this silent E? Yes, there are many words like knife. KNIFE. This is also ending with E, but we are not saying it knife. Yes, we are saying it, we are pronouncing it knife. Like wife. Yes, so many examples are there which are ending with silent E. Student, now it is time for homework application part. What will you do? You will complete your worksheet which is given on page number 47 in your workbook, and you have to complete it within 10 minutes. It is a short worksheet. Students, open page number 48, S3, silent E in words. Question 1, match the following. Cap. You will match this cap with CAPE, cape. Means you will match the words which are in first group with the second group. These are which are ending with E words like cap, cape, cut, cute. Now question number 2. Sort the words into two groups. Hug, time, fat, cane, fate, pin, use, can, pine, Tim. What will you do? In group 1 you will put the words of 3-letter words, and in group 2 you will put the words which ends with E. You will put those words in group 2. Now it is time for homework part. What will you do in your today's homework? You have to complete practice question 7, 8, 9 which are given on page number 40 in your content book. At last, now it is time for summarization part. Yes students, now tell me what have we learned today? Yes, silent words with E. Silent E in words means to add E 3 letters word and identify the change in sound of the vowel. As we did in the activity also, means we made new words by adding E at the end of 3-letter words, but the sound of E is silent in those words like cap, cake, hop, hope, cut, cute, pin, pine. So this how we have made the words by using silent E at the end of the words. Now students, be ready for the next class also, and the resources for next class are your workbook and your notebook. Now be ready for the next class also. Students, thank you. Have a nice day.